guys, what a day. If it could go wrong, it did go wrong. I cannot tell you. It's one of those days. I don't know, like it felt like it started off really well. Everything was coming together nicely. Stuff was running. I was struggling a little bit with doing like no, I run the old Spyrock program actually for a while, which was okay. It was having a little bit of teething, but it kind of it was running in the end. It got there in the end. It got the rods done that we needed to get done. I started to run the new program, and there was a few issues with that, which is kind of expected. You never get like the new programs and stuff. You never get right absolutely the first time. So I turn this off. You never get absolutely right the first time. But the part is wrong. I'll show you. This new design didn't quite work out right. You can see there's like splits on the side. It's too big of a hole for the tube size. So I'll have to go back to the drawing board on that one. So it's one of those things. So I'll go back and do a redesign. I'm thinking to make it simple, what I would do is actually, so we're going to go to I think it's a 3.3mm drill for an M4 hull. I need to double check that. So assuming it is 3.3mm, what we'll do is we'll just go with 3.3mm pin to stop rotation with a with M4 grub screw, flat grub screw coming in to just bite that on the side, and then we've negated those issues with regards to the damage of the spike rod. Plus, end mill shouldn't really be used to drill, and that's what I'm kind of doing at the moment. And I'm probably just going to end up breaking the end mill. So it's best that I really kind of don't do that. There's a lot of wobble in that program, and so I'm using HSS end mills because they take a bit more bending than the carbide one will. Carbide one will just snap. So I figured that was the best way to go with it. Anyway, the PC, the brand new PC we got. So while Ryan's with us, he's done his first trial day. He did well. It was a bit of a struggle today because he spent maybe half a day trying to get the PC working, and it just didn't come together. It's it basically it failed, or he went to use it today and the screen kept turning off, and there's just something wrong with it. I think it's the graphics card. Essentially, it has to go back to eBuyer where we bought it. They're going to do a collection and a return, which is not really great because really and truly what they should be doing is going, we'll collect it and deliver a brand new one at the same time, because it is literally brand new. That's my opinion on it. But this is what's happening at the moment. I think it's probably something to do with the graphics card, but it's what it is. Broke a bit of tooling on Nakamura, OD10 tool whilst doing the rods, so the screw and stuff broke. I needed to get new screws anyway. I've ordered screws, but they're 10 days. Just annoying. Tomorrow we need to run new recessed, not new, but they're recessed tops that are a lot bigger for a particular order for Nicholson's, and also need to do some 360-degree optics for the first time, doing our own ones, and also need to bear with me 1 minute. So it needs to do this 360-degree optic, which will be interesting. I've got to get both these programs running first thing in the morning. So obviously Jamie's not in on machining, so it's just me and Liam. It's kind of frustrating. Ryan's coming back tomorrow. He's continuing the trial, which is awesome. It'll be forming to a 5-day, and then pending everything goes well with that, which I'm sure it will. There'll be a contract at the end of that. And we can go from there. So fingers crossed. He seems like a really nice guy, really well together, and very up for getting stuff done. likes the well, some comments on the hours that we work. I've heard before. You know, we work some easy hours. I don't. Um, but everyone else does. And I kind of think, you know, you should be able to get quite a lot done in those, even though it's a short day. They should be able to get quite a lot done. I work quite a long day because I have to do so many different things, I guess. And you know, bit by bit, hopefully the rest of the team will take those off my plate. And then maybe I can start shortening those hours. To be honest, I don't mind. I quite like it. I like the hours that I do. Yes, and so 3D printing's not been behaving itself. We've been trying to print adapter plates and stuff, and some other bits and pieces, and it's all sort of gone wrong. Yeah, it's just been like that last couple of days really. But fingers crossed for tomorrow. We'll try and throw some positive vibes out for tomorrow, and we'll see it all hopefully come together and progress onwards. So anyway, have a lovely day, guys.